Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Neek Lynn, and in today's video, I'm going to take you through the steps of how to do faux locks. Okay guys, so really quick, make sure that you moisturize your client's hair prior to doing this style. I will leave a link below for the moisturizing lotion that I use. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my first braid. And I want you to notice that I did add a piece of the Cuban twist hair to my client's natural hair. Now in my last video that I did on faux locks, I did not add any Marley hair or Cuban twist hair, whatever hair you use. I didn't add any hair to my client's natural hair. And what ended up happening with those faux locks was that, you know, in a short amount of time, her natural braid began to protrude through the wrapping, which of course became a problem because, you know, you want these braids to stay inside the wrap. So when I had the courage to go ahead and do them again, because honestly, like, I became disheartened, you know, I was like I thought I did everything right. You know, I followed, you know, videos, I did this, I did that, you know, what have you. And, you know, it ended up being, you know, a problem. So I said this time I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some of the Cuban twist hair to my client's natural hair just to see if it will offer the braid more stability, you know, in preparation to be wrapped. Okay, so time for the wrapping. So first you are going to use your crochet hook and you are going to pull through a piece of the Freetress deep twist hair or whatever kind of loose hair you've decided to use, okay? And you're gonna go back in that same braid, take a piece of your Cuban twist hair, your Marley hair or whatever hair of your choice, and you're gonna go ahead and pull that through. Okay, now once you have both pieces through, okay, and I am going to, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in for you guys so that you can see a little bit closer. Okay, so you're going to wrap clockwise. I kept getting confused on that, but it is clockwise, or the way that I'm doing it is clockwise. I guess you could wrap counterclockwise if that's what you so choose. And you're going to wrap a few times at the base of the braid. This area can get very tight very fast, so be sure you are being careful when you are twisting at the top. You can ask your client to hold the root just like I did, because as you twist down, the root will keep twisting. So if they're holding on to it, it kind of alleviates that from happening, okay? And then you're just going to twist, twist, twist. And I am using in between my middle finger and my ring finger to hold the hair as I rotate it into my right hand in order to kind of gain control back, open the hair up a little bit, and then I'm right back to wrapping. And just so you guys know, This part is in real time. So this is my actual speed. You know, I'm not the fastest, but, you know, I do have, you know, a pretty decent consistent flow when doing these. Okay, and now we are going to go ahead and begin to slide cut the ends of the curly hair. Now this part, I mean, you can leave, but I do like to give it a little shape. So if you can see, I'm just taking my scissors, going down in a vertical angle and just giving this some shape. And then I go ahead and I use my Tropical Roots foam. It is my favorite one. I love this one. It's pretty much the only one I use for any of my locks, braids, or, you know, any kind of protective styles. I always finish with my Tropical Roots styling foam. And then let's go ahead and lay these edges down, baby. This style was so nice. Took a long time again. I think this took about 8 hours, to be honest. And, you know, I think it more or less was the length that took up the time, not so much the size of them. I do believe there was probably around 44 to 46 locks. So, you know, here you have it. I just want to say thank you, as always, for tuning into my channel. You can follow me on Instagram at Neek_Lynn and even on Facebook at Braids by Neek Lynn. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, God bless.